Do you want to be making money on YouTube without spending hours editing or spending any time filming? I mean, imagine creating viral content in literally seconds and even make money when you sleep. Well, in 2025, YouTube Shorts are bigger than ever right now because we've got YouTube, they're trying to compete with TikTok and they're trying to compete with Instagram Reels. They're like, hey, what can we bring to the table? We need short form content because let's be honest, people's attention spans are going down the drain. I probably already lost some of you on this video already. Please stay, I hope, I don't know. But there's no need to show your face within this method. There's no need to even record your own voice because we're gonna be letting AI do it all for us. And the best part is, anyone can do this, even if you're a complete beginner, because I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Because I'm gonna show you exactly how to use an AI tool called VidAI that is a complete game changer because it's able to create YouTube Shorts for us in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create YouTube Shorts, you'll know how to grow your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers pretty quickly, and monetize your shorts with ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning, let's just get into this. But why YouTube Shorts? Why should you focus on creating short form content when we could also be creating long form content? What is the advantage? Reason number one is that shorts have an insane organic reach. Unlike regular videos, shorts get pushed to massive ranges of audiences, even if you have 0 subscribers. YouTube's algorithm is going to prioritize short and engaging content, meaning even new channels have the potential to be going viral overnight. Reason number two is you don't need a camera, you don't need editing skills, and you don't even need a microphone or experience. Long-form content often requires fancy gear, a camera, a setup, a background, go out and record something, or finding stock photos and videos and edit all of that together, and it's pretty time consuming. But with shorts, you can create high-quality videos in just a few clicks. Reason number three is that there are multiple ways that you can be making money, whether it's through YouTube directly, through affiliate marketing or sponsorships. And shorts monetization is even stronger than ever right now. And if you leverage AI tools like VidAI, you can automate your content creation, upload more frequently, and maximize your earnings with a minimal effort. But that brings us to the question, isn't competition too high? Yes, millions of creators are creating shorts, but that doesn't mean that you can't stand out. And AI, in fact, it gives you a little bit of an edge. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, VidAI can come up with all of the ideas for you. And then it can bring that content to life and you don't have to worry about sitting down and editing or hiring an editor. And there are even ultra realistic voiceovers within these shorts that are crazy. And the images too. AI generates images that are very realistic. And with AI, you can focus on creativity rather than focusing on strategy. When starting on YouTube Shorts, the first step, there's one very important first step, and that is going to be choosing the niche of your channel. And this is going to be one of the most important decisions that you're making when it comes to setting up your channel. And a niche is essentially the topic or the area of expertise that you're going to be offering, or even just any area of interest. So you could be interested in makeup or health or wealth or finance. But picking the correct niche can help you stand out within a crowded space. And here's how you can pick the right niche and how often you should post to succeed with YouTube Shorts. The first thing that you should do when it comes to picking your niche is think about, first of all, what are you interested in? The best niche for you is the one that aligns with your interests, and there's also an audience for that interest as well. You don't want it to be too niche. Plus, if you're creating content, chances are you're gonna want to be interested in the content that you're creating. If you're doing this in your free time, why choose something that is going to be completely boring and dreadful to you? My next tip when it comes to picking a niche is going to be researching your audience. Think about who are you trying to reach and what content is already out there for them to consume. You're gonna want to find a niche that already has an active audience that is looking for that content, or else nobody's gonna find it. You could use YouTube's search function to see what types of videos are getting searched for and what is trending within various niches. And that can give you a good idea too if you want to create content within that certain topic that you're thinking of creating content in. Next up, evaluate the competition. Some niches have become oversaturated and there's already a lot of content out there to consume. And you don't need to avoid popular topics entirely, but you just need to find an angle that will help you stand out. Next up, let's talk about how often you should post to reach the best results that you could be reaching. And this is where I like to say consistency is key and it is always going to be your best friend. And that's with a lot of things, not with just YouTube. In fact, YouTube's algorithm rewards people who post consistently. So if you're posting often, then YouTube is going to be like, hey, this creator is trying, I'm going to keep promoting their videos. I would aim to post at least 3 to 5 shorts a week. This ensures that you stay relevant within YouTube's algorithm, which increases your chances of being recommended to newer viewers. And while it is important to be posting regularly, make sure you're not sacrificing quality over quantity, because quality should never be sacrificed. But don't worry, with AI, these videos are not difficult to create at all. I'm confident that you guys could be creating 5 shorts a day, so don't stress. Something that you could also do is experiment with posting times. You could try posting for a week in the morning and then try posting for a week in the evening and see which videos get more engagement, and then analyze your analytics and see when your viewers are most active. And make sure to be flexible and adapt with what works. The beauty of YouTube Shorts is that it allows you to experiment with a lot of different kinds of YouTube content without putting too much work into the videos and get too invested. Analytics will be your best friend when it comes to figuring out what is working for your channel and what is working against your channel. Another idea would be posting during trending moments. Let's say you're within the book niche and a new book has just come out. The new Hunger Games book came out a little bit ago. Hop on that trend and start talking about the new Hunger Games book and put your input in. The quicker you jump on trends, the more likely you are to gain traction. Lastly, do not overwhelm yourself and make sure to set realistic goals. If you are not sure that you're going to be able to post 5 times a week, maybe lower it down to 3 at first. As you get more comfortable with creating content, then you can make your workload a little bit more. Once you found your niche and start consistently posting your content, monetization is going to be a little bit more within reach. And a focused niche allows you to do 3 things: attract the right audience, increase engagement, and appeal to brands. Now, even when you're creating AI-generated shorts, you do need the right strategy to maximize views. All right, now I've been talking a lot about these AI-generated shorts and how easy it is, but how exactly easy is it? Let me just show you. I've got VidAI pulled up and I'm going to create a new faceless short. You could do a fake text story or a split screen, just depending on your niche, but I'm just gonna go with the classic faceless short. Now, they do have a popular topics section where you can choose from all of these different topics and it'll make you a video based on that topic. Look, book reviews. We could do a new review on the Hunger Games book, or we could do a cooking recipe or a travel destination, health tips, historical events, or you could put your own prompt in right here, say, I want a video about alligators, which I did just create one. Or if you do have a script ready, you could put it within the script section, which it says, once upon a time in a galaxy far, far away. I think that's Star Wars, right? I feel like I just found an Easter egg. Now I'm trying to think, what do I want my video to be about? I'm gonna make a video about one of the things that I love the most, and that is going to be Disney World. I love Disney World. I hate to say it, I'm a Disney adult. Hate to say it, love to say it. It's true, I am. But I'm gonna say this video is about travel tips going to Disney World. This is if I had a hypothetical travel channel. Or you could also go into the popular topics section and just do travel destinations if that's what you wanted. But here I just thought of a more specific prompt. And then I get to choose my narrator. I'm just gonna go with the default male deep voice right here. And then we get to choose our video source. Do we want it to be anime, cinematic? You can also see a little preview here if you want to play the video. Or watercolor, that's cool. That kind of looks like Harry Potter in a weird way. Or neon art. I'm just gonna go with the natural image. And then we get to choose, you could do a gameplay video too if it's, I think those ones are better for story times. Let's just do a natural image and hit generate content. Now it is generating my short for me. Look at me, I'm sitting here, I could sleep and it's working for me. All right, and just like that, we have our script generated and images to go with our script. And let's say I didn't like one of these images, you could highlight over the image and see where it is in the script and hit regenerate. But I think everything looks pretty good. Here, I'll just give you an example. I'm gonna regenerate that image for funsies. And boom, there we go, regenerated image. What kind of ride is that? I wanna go on that. And then we hit next and it's going to create our short for us. It's gonna put everything together. It's going to create a voiceover and put captions on there for us. And boom, just like that, I'm sleeping in the meantime. And boom, we have our short. It is ready for us. And look at that. That literally looks like the Disney World castle. And it even got all of the colors correctly, how they recently painted it pink. I love that. That's so good. And then we could add background music and change the color of our font. Let's do some, it's kind of purple, more purple. Let's do white and pink. I feel like that's kind of Disney. I don't know. Princess vibes. And then we could choose a font size, add some effects, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is because I think it's gonna be good. Here we go.
Ready for an unforgettable adventure at Disney World? Let's dive into essential travel tips. First, plan your visit during off-peak times to avoid long lines. Next, download the Disney app.
That is true. The Disney app is very helpful.
Real-time updates on wait times and attractions. Don't forget to pack comfortable shoes for all that walking.
So true. I've had times where I wear shoes into the park and then I leave tennis shoes in the car and then halfway through I'm like, I need to grab my tennis shoes.
Stay hydrated. Bring a refillable water bottle to save money.
True. That is so true. They have so many water bottle refilling stations. And also another hack is going to be, also you could go back and change the script if you wanted to. I want to throw that in. It is very customizable. If you want to just change anything during the video making process, you can. So here, I could add my own fact where I could say something like, hey, did you know that they give out free water cups at any of the quick service places? Because that is true.
Arrive early to catch the opening ceremony and enjoy quieter rides. Consider dining reservations for popular
we call that rope dropping.
Restaurants to avoid disappointment. Take
so
breaks.
True. So true. I suggest going to the Space Restaurant. I love that one. Or any of the buffets. The buffets are so good at Disney.
Shaded areas to recharge throughout the day. Capture memories with photos, but don't forget to enjoy the moment. Lastly, embrace the magic and let spontaneity guide your adventure.
Minky.
With these tips, your Disney World trip will be unforgettable. Now go create magical memories.
All right, there we go. There's a short. It took me just a few seconds to make, and I could keep pumping out those. If I had a travel channel, I'd be like, okay, here's an Ireland video, or here's a Switzerland video, or here's a United Kingdom video. Now, even with AI-generated videos, you do need the correct strategy to maximize views. And here's how you can ensure that your videos are going to get pushed by YouTube's algorithm. The first thing is going to be the hook of your video. What reels people into your content? Let's see, what reeled us into this video?
Ready for an unforgettable adventure at Disney World? Let's dive into essential travel tips.
That tells you right off the bat, within the first 4 seconds, what the whole video is going to be about. And the hook determines if people are going to scroll past your video or if they're going to stay. If they're interested in Disney, they're gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna stay on this one. Next up, if you've hooked people at the beginning of your video, you also wanna ensure that they're going to keep watching your video. And YouTube is going to reward longer watch time as well. And you could get people to stay on your video longer by switching off scenery every 2 to 3 seconds, so changing images, which VidAI is going to do that for us, and keep the script engaging throughout the whole video. Next up, consistency is the secret to growth on YouTube. Most viral shorts creators do post consistently, but that can be kind of difficult and sometimes impossible for some people when you don't have AI to help you. But with VidAI, you could sit down and create a whole week's worth of content in just one sitting, in literally 30 minutes. And sit down and schedule them out. Sit down one day out of the week, plan all of your content, schedule to post it all, and boom, you're done working for the week. Now let's talk some real numbers. How much can you be making with YouTube Shorts? Well, when it comes to ad revenue, you could be earning anywhere from around $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. But something that I love about YouTube is you don't have to just rely on ad revenue to make money with it. In fact, you could be making money with your shorts before you even get monetized by YouTube. And you could do this by maybe adding some affiliate links. I mean, you could be earning hundreds of dollars per one sale through your affiliate links. It just depends on what you're promoting. For an example, let's say you're within the making money online niche and you have a great course to promote that has an affiliate link. You put that affiliate link on your videos. Let's say that course costs $1,000 and you get a 50% commission. Boom, $500 per one sale. And that's just one sale. Another way you could be making money is through brand deals that could come a little bit later on. And some creators have reported to make over $5,000 for just one 60-second short promoting something, which is crazy. And AI-powered channels are leading the way. And with tools like VidAI, you can mass produce your content, test different styles, and scale your channel fast. YouTube Shorts is not just a trend, it is truly the future. And using AI makes it a whole lot faster and easier, trust me. I mean, you just saw. Because no more spending hours editing your videos, researching topics, no need to show your face, no experience needed. What are you guys waiting for? It's time to get started. Make sure to sign up for VidAI down below. We put together a discount for you guys and you won't want to miss it. And check out this video for a free training on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Check it out and we'll see you guys there. Bye.